In this video, I'll show you how to save your work in Microsoft Loop so it's always backed up and easy to reuse. Start by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. This links your work to your profile and makes it accessible across devices. To save a page as a template, go to the workspace where your page is stored, open it, then click the three-dot menu. Select Save Page as Template, give it a clear name and add an icon if you like. Your template will now appear in the workspace gallery for quick access anytime. You can also preserve your work as a document. Open the page, click the three-dot menu again and choose Print and PDF Export. From there, you can either print it or save it as a PDF. PDFs are perfect for sharing with people outside Loop or keeping a digital backup. And that's it. You've saved your Microsoft Loop content for reuse, backup and sharing. Subscribe for more quick guides like this.